Overload. Overload. If you overload the truck, it might crash. Adjust. Adjust. He adjusted his tie before the interview. Expel. Expel. The principal expelled the staff because he didn't follow his rules. Burst. Burst. The balloon will burst if you blow it too much. Stab. Stab. He stabbed the fork into the potato and passed it to his daughter. Dash. Dash. Helen dashed up the stairs because she didn't want to be late for the appointment. Destroy. Destroy. The hurricane destroyed several buildings. Vex. Vex. Constant noise from the construction site vexed me. Threaten. Threaten. He threatened to call the police on me. Swell. Swell. She swelled with pride when she received the award. Tear. Tear. She accidentally tore her shirt sleeve. Weigh. Weigh. I need to weigh this package before shipping it. Yell. Yell. The coach yelled at the players to run faster. Forbid. Forbid. The sign forbids smoking in the garden. Illustrate. Illustrate. She illustrated her point with diagram. Drop. He dropped his keys on the floor. Dream. Dream. Last night I dreamed about flying through the clouds. Hide. Hide. He tried to hide the gift from his sister. Fight. Fight. The two brothers used to fight over toys when they were younger. Observe. Observe. He observed the birds flying. Pinch. Pinch. She pinched her nose to stop the bad smell. Crawl. Crawl. The baby crawled across the room. Delay. Delay. The train was delayed by the snowstorm. Swear. Swear. She will swear to tell the truth in court. Succeed. Succeed. He succeeded in his new job. Criticize. Criticize. He criticized her performance in the play. Differ. Differ. We differ on our opinions about politics. Keep. Keep. Can you keep this secret? Jump. Jump. The cat can jump over the fence easily. Accuse. Accuse. She accused of him stealing her phone. Adopt. Adopt. She adopted a stray cat. Hurt. Hurt. He hurted his knee while playing football. Bind. Bind. We need to bind these papers together. Break. Break. Don't break that vase, it's valuable. Burn. Burn. The candle will burn brightly in the dark. Anticipate. Anticipate. He anticipated the arrival of his guest.